ready to turn your crypto gains into real-world spending money. This video is your express guide to withdrawing funds from Coinbase directly to your bank account. First, open your Coinbase app or log in on your computer. Find the Send and Receive button, usually located on the main dashboard, and click on it on the screen that follows. Select the Pay with Cryptocurrency wallet containing the funds you want to withdraw. Make sure to select the Withdraw tab. This ensures you are moving funds out of Coinbase. It will likely be located near the Send and Receive tabs. Now, carefully enter the exact amount you wish to withdraw, paying close attention to your available balance, which Coinbase conveniently displays for you. Double-check this amount before moving on. Under the Withdraw to section, select your linked bank account. If you haven't linked your bank yet, Coinbase will prompt you to do so, guiding you through the verification process. Review every detail on the confirmation screen: the withdrawal amount, the cryptocurrency you're withdrawing, the destination bank account, and any associated fees. Accuracy is key here, so make sure to check. Once you confirm, monitor the transfer progress on your transaction history page. Coinbase will also send you email notifications to keep you updated. Transfer times can vary, so be patient. Lastly, ensure your Coinbase account is secure with two-factor authentication to protect your funds throughout the withdrawal process. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn funds from Coinbase to your bank account. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials.